Hey everybody, welcome back to production level 1. This is going to be lesson 3 and we're going to talk about what DI recordings are. Okay, so let's just jump in and take a look. And the lesson overview is going to be what is a DI recording and what is a high Z input. So what is a DI recording? Well, a DI or a direct inject is when a sound source, typically an instrument, is plugged in directly into an audio interface to be recorded, most commonly used with bass and guitar. Note, typically known as a high Z input. Okay, so where is the high Z input? Well, typically a high Z input is located on the front of your audio interface. Okay, so here's an example. We've got an Apollo over here, and this one's easy to find because, there's a guitar right next to it. And here's another example, which is a little bit trickier because we can actually plug a microphone cable into this as well as an instrument cable, but we would just have to actually press the instrument button. So the question to think on, what is an audio interface? Super quick lesson on this one. However, it's just foundational and we'll go over it in the lectures. Okay. That being said, see you on the next one.